Vanshika and welcome to my channel. As the title suggests, today I am going to show you new makeup and skincare which are my June favorites, June 2020 favorites. So I hope you like the video. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. So the first product which I really like and it's my June favorite is this Huda Beauty New Nude Palette. You all know about it, obviously everyone knows about it, and it's everyone's favorite, I guess. So it's my favorite too. So today the eye makeup which I have done is with this eyeshadow palette only. So you can just see the eyeshadow palette. It's blends like dream. It blends so easily. It blends the dark, even the darker shades blend so easily. The shimmers are so good, so beautiful, so amazing, and the pressed glitters are also, it's like too good. So you can see the swatches if you want, like 2 shades swatches I have done. If you want all the swatches and the review about this product, a full review about this product, you do comment down below. I'll surely do it for you. So yeah, so the next product which I really like is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. So this is my second tub. I have already finished for the first tub. It's too good, guys. It's too good. Like I just love it. You can see, like I have almost completed half of it and half of it is just left. I have an oily sensitive skin, and this is like it just it's very soothing to my skin. It's really suits my skin. I just love this, and it's oil free because I have an oily skin. I wanted a moisturizer which doesn't feel sticky and doesn't feel oily, and this is the one I finally got. Like you can just see, I just love this. So you can purchase it if you want. And the third product which I really love is this Garnier Micellar Oil Fused Cleansing Water. It's like the one more is there, this is the oil one, and other one is there which doesn't removes your waterproof makeup. This do removes your waterproof makeup. You can see I have completed I have completed more than half of the product, and I just love this product. I just really love it. It do really cleans all my makeup very nicely, and I just love this. So the next product is a lipstick. It's a L'Oreal Paris Rose Signature lipstick. It's the shade 121 I Choose. It's a very nice shade. You can see today I have wore this shade only, and I love this shade. Its formulation is just too good. It's very good. It's not uncomfortable. It's very comfortable on your lips. It's watery. You have to, like 2 to 3 coats you have to put. You can just see the swatch, and you can see, like I have wore this lipstick. You can see how it looks on me. It will look very good on medium to fair skin tone. So yeah, this is the lipstick I really love. I have more shades in this range, and I truly love it. So yeah, you can purchase it, and all products I have mentioned in this video is linked down below, so you can just see it if you want to purchase it, or you can just check it out from there. The next is this K Beauty Kajal. This is the shade Spade. I really love this kajal. It's like supreme black. I have used it today in my lower waterline. So yeah, you can just see it's like incredible. It's incredible. I have other shades also, but this is the one I really love. You can see this is the one. It's too good, guys. It's too good. I really love it. It's not it suits my eyes. Like many kajals are there which if you put it your eyes becomes watery, but this is the one which doesn't, and it is smudge proof, it is waterproof. So I really love this. It's not costly as well, like not that costly, but yeah, I love this kajal. Really, I'll just after this gets finishes, I'll order the next one for sure. I just love this kajal. So the next one is this. This is also the lipstick. This is by Flormar. It's not available online. It's like it's made in Turkey, so it's a Turkey product. It's not available online. Like I have not seen it anywhere. If I find it, I'll surely link it down below for you. But this is the one. This is the shade like Autumn Amber 05 Autumn Amber is the shade, and this is very nice nudish type of nudish color, and I really love this lipstick a lot. Like I really love it. This shade is incredible, and it's very this is the one. It's very comfortable on my lips. It's very comfortable on your lips. It's very good. This shade is just to die for. This is my go-to shade. I just wear it this or this. These two other shades like I wear almost every time. So yeah, these two are the lipsticks. So the next products is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation. No, it suits normal to oily skin, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Like you can see, this foundation is like very good. I have only one foundation this, and I just love it. I just really love it. It almost today I have applied this foundation only. You can just see it's not like full coverage, but yeah, normal to medium coverage, but it's very good. It's very good, guys. I just love this foundation. You can purchase it if you want, but it's my favorite. So yeah, the next product is this Laneige. I don't know to pronounce it, so please excuse me for that. This is Laneige lip slipping mask in the in the range Berry. I just love it. I always like, my lips used to be chapped each and every day, but since I've started using this, I am like sorted. So you can just see I have used almost like not that much, but yeah, it is my favorite. And this is the lip slipping mask you should go for if you have chapped lips, if you have dry lips, if you want like your lips to be moisturized like every time. This is the one you should go for. I just love this, and I'll recommend each and every one of you who want their lips to be moisturized and not chapped. So yeah, you should go for this. This is the one. I just love it. The last product is the skincare. So yeah, the skincare, this is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. I have used it twice, like twice or thrice I have used it, and I just love it. This is too good. It smells like heaven. Smell is like heaven. Who loves coffee, they will love this smell, but who don't, they will not. So yeah, this is the one. I just love this. This packaging is also so luxurious. This, I just love it. So you can just, this is not this is very nice. Like it says ingredients are there, directions of use are there, and it's personal care brand, SLS free. It's so it's like amazing. It's paraben free. I just love this face mask. I have never used any face mask on my face. This is the first one I have used, and I have loved it. So that's it for the video, guys. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button, so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified to it. Bye bye.